Let's be real here. Most online business ideas you find on YouTube here are either outdated or oversaturated. And some of them are just pure hypes. Things like dropshipping, generic blogging takes forever to work. I was once in that shoe as well. But guess what? All hopes are not lost yet, because in this video I'm going to share with you 5 unique business models that people across America, Europe, Africa, and some parts of Asia are still using to make money in 2025. And the funny thing is that these are very unique ideas that you might have not thought of at all. And I'm going to couple these 5 ideas with a twist that will even make it work faster if you are really interested in making money from them. The first idea here is simply the local lead machine. Now here's how this actually works. Now instead of sitting back there browsing millions of YouTube videos about the next make money online idea, or just trying to create another Shopify store out there, why not build a website around one of the most highly demanded services in your local area? For example, this could be London carpet cleaning if you live in the London neighborhood, or Dallas pest control if you have an idea about that industry. Now basically look for a highly demanded service within your local area and then create a website about it. Now here is the twist. You are actually not going to do those services by yourself. Now what you basically do is simply, when people request for these services on your website, you have 2 options. One of them is basically you negotiate a price with the person who needs the service, and then you meet with a business owner that actually does this service and ask the person how much is it going to cost him or her to actually clean a carpet of this size. Now maybe the person tells you it's £500. Both of you agree on £500. Now you go ahead and negotiate with the client who came to your website to request for that service. Now you and the client might agree £600, £700 or £800. Now basically you take the payment, and then you take the person who is set to do the job to go get the job done, and you get the payment, you give the person £500 and you keep the rest for yourself. It's a very simple business logic. Now the other side of this game here is basically, maybe you don't want to be the middleman between this business and take off the profit that you actually added on top. You don't want to have anything to do with the business process. Now it's simple. You build this local lead machine, gather a lot of customers, and then sell the whole website to someone who does that service. So maybe you know someone who has a carpet cleaning service, and you basically sell it to that person. Business idea number 2 is basically print on demand with viral niche. Now here's it. Everyone has been talking about starting a t-shirt business, but the truth is that majority of people who get into this industry actually fail. Why? Because the designs are too generic. So here is the twist. Now instead of just selling t-shirts, focus on selling the moment. So instead of just jumping on and then selling some random generic designs, all you can basically do is simply look at a viral joke or a trending meme, or this could be a local design like Manchester is red or Texas barbecue forever. Now you can just take any of these trending things or these local neighborhood vibes and then come over to a website like Teespring and then just make a custom design with any of those things. This could be the Manchester is red, which is well known in Manchester, or London is blue between Chelsea and Arsenal fans, or basically Texas barbecue forever, or just create the design around any viral thing that you know people will really vibe to. Business idea number 3 is basically the skill flip. Now the skill flip is basically a simple business model where you go from a freelancer to a micro agency. Now here is it. Maybe you are someone who have a skill, either you're a video editor, graphic designer, social media manager, or just a basic copywriter, who do freelancing and offering your services. Now here is where the twist comes in. Instead of just sitting alone trading your full time for money by taking up services and you get to do these services alone, here's what you do instead. Instead of seeing yourself as a single freelancer, try to connect with more freelancers and then gather up the skills they can actually offer. Take a look at their portfolio, look at what they've done before, and then basically market yourself as if you own a micro agency where you can take up video editing, graphic design. You can take up all of these services even though you know you cannot do these services yourself. Now basically why you take these services, they come into your agency under your agency's name, then you distribute it to these people to actually do for you. Now basically what you do is simply, you don't have this skill but these people have the skill. Your skill is different, you are marketing your skill at the same time theirs. So when you land clients, you do a profit splitting with them. Maybe it could be a 70, 30, 60, 40. You bring the client, they do the work, you receive the payment, you send them their cut, you keep your percentage. As simple as this. Business idea number 4 is basically the subscription box business model. Now, we all know that e-commerce is brutal. No one can compete with platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, Target, Walmart, and most of those big e-commerce platforms anymore. At this point, the only solution to getting your way out of the game is being niche and local targeted. Now, here's how subscription box actually works. Now, the first thing you basically do is simply you look for a particular niche and make sure this niche is local targeted. So for example, it could be vegan snacks in the UK, dog toys for golden retrievers in the United States, the United Kingdom, or whatever country of your choice. Now, here's how this actually works. Instead of people going over to platforms like Amazon and Co to go look for these products and buy them, they prefer actually subscribing to a particular box whereby every month they receive this package as if it's just a free gift coming to them. Now, it's simple. When people subscribe, maybe they subscribe to vegan foodstuffs or vegan snacks and stuff like that. Now, basically what you do is simply, if you can't prepare this product or these things they requested for by yourself, you basically make sure that what you confirm how much it's going to cost you to get whatever item that you include in any box, and then make sure you add it to the pricing. Now, when this people subscribe actually pays for it, you take a profit off and use the money to go buy the items, put them in the box, and then deliver them on the delivery date. It's this simple. Now, you can actually create your own website to get started with this. But if you're just starting off at fresh, obviously you don't have money to start your own website, or probably you have money, you want me to build a website for you, fine. But if you don't have money, no problem. You can come over to a website like Create Joy. Now, for example, if you go down on this page right now, you're going to see a lot of things like, let's take a look at this box. One Delf Onesie, Beach Box, Novelty Box for girls, More Than a Fitness Box. Now, this one is targeting at fitness people. The Signature Sip Box, Mini Succulent Box, and then different boxes that people are. Now, every single thing you see here, there are a lot of people that have subscribed to this store, meaning a lot of people are going to receive this package either weekly, monthly, or yearly, and they actually pay for it. You are not giving it to them for free, of course. Now, if you are really interested, you click on it says Sell on Joy, on Create Joy, and it basically takes you over here. And then you can see Sell on the Marketplace, Design and Launch your own website. So now, the final business idea is simply AI automated chatbot for small businesses. Now, the truth is that AI is everywhere, chatbots are everywhere, but most small and local businesses around your area definitely don't know about them and don't know how this AI chatbot can actually help them. Now, here's the twist. Meet up with these local small businesses and basically let them know how this AI chatbot and assistant can actually help make their business system a bit more faster, make it easy for people to book, and make it easy for them to run some menial things. And once they agree to do it, it's basically simple. You don't have to be a tech box or a tech guy to actually get any of this thing done. Come over to YouTube, learn how you can set up some basic chatbot to help small businesses, and then come over to platforms like Zapier. Now, Zapier is a free, 100% free platform. However, they have payment plans as well. However, you can also use it for free. They allow you to create automated workflows, automated AI agents. You can see you have the AI workflow, AI agent, AI chatbot, and so forth that you can actually create. And then basically you give it to these businesses, you show them how it works, everything. Since they agree and they know how you can help their business, you basically teach them how it works, and you are basically good to go. So guys, this is basically the 5 business ideas I have for you that you can actually use to make money. Now, these are real business ideas and not some get rich quick scheme. You have to put in the work and actually get the results in return. So guys, with this said, see you in my next video. And if you need more great content like this, all I need from you is simply smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and also don't forget to drop a comment in case you want to ask me any single question. So see you in my next video. Bye.